Star 2024. Journey continues with more glimpses of the young explorers engaged in exciting projects and adventures. Enjoy the highlights of their memorable experiences and achievements. Wonder Chef Cooking Without Fire was an innovative activity designed to teach children the fundamentals of cooking in a safe and engaging environment. The focus was in preparing nutritious and delicious dishes without the use of fire, making it ideal for young budding chefs. This invaluable opportunity wove together education, creativity, and enjoyment, offering a secure setting for children to delve into the culinary arts while acquiring essential life skills. Throughout the camp, children discovered the joys of cooking as they measured, mixed, and assembled various ingredients. The hands on experience not only taught them about healthy eating but also boosted their confidence and independence at the cooking station. Some of the delightful dishes they created, including chocolate rolls, Monaco Chatpati chaat, instant cham cham, mango mojito, pinwheel sandwich, Mary biscuit cake, Oreo shake, tangy bhel puri, and healthy corn sprout salad. In addition to the practical cooking sessions, the camp incorporated fun educational activities that emphasize the importance of nutrition and food safety. At the end of the camp, students proudly took home a colorful booklet with all the recipes, enabling them to combine their wonderful culinary pursuits at home and share their newfound skills with family and friends. This unique camp not only provided a memorable summer experience but also instilled a lifelong appreciation for cooking and healthy eating.
Oreo shake. And my favorite dish is mango.
So you loved what you learnt in summer camp?
Yes. My favorite dish that I was learned in the summer camp is tangy bhel puri. My favorite dish is learning summer camp cham cham.
Curio Mind was a time for students to probe into the world of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. It offered an enriching introduction to these fields through a series of hands-on experiments and activities designed to spark curiosity and foster a love for learning. The program allowed students to explore a variety of fascinating topics.
My name is Ashraf. My name is Capricorn. Our favorite activity was future training. My name is Kashmi. My name is Abhyam Chawla. Our favorite activity is bubble painting. My name is Kapish. My name is Virat. My name is Vijay. My name is Joy. Hello everyone. My name is Kabishi. My name is Bhumikar. My favorite activity is
here are the animators who use Pivot Animator, an application that allowed students to create stick figure animations and save them in animated GIF format for use on web pages. It was an excellent desktop tool for introducing students to the concept of frame-by-frame animation. This software provided a perfect introduction for kids to understand how animation works. In the animator group of students, they learn to create new figures, load figures, make frame-by-frame movements, change figure colors, and add subsequent frames with position changes to create animations. Learning to use Pivot Animator during the summer camp was highly beneficial for our students. It introduced them to the fundamentals of animation, enhancing their creativity and technical skills. This part of the Summer Fiesta 2024 featured diverse activities across 3 programs, from preparing nutritious dishes safely to creating animation, to a program which engaged children in hands-on projects, fostering curiosity and learning in science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics.